Hey everybody, Marjan from Firefly Craft. I'm here to talk to you today about heat pressing pillows. What is a heat pressing pillow? It's a foam core covered by a Teflon non-stick surface. What would I use it for? Well, anytime you're trying to create an even surface so that you can get proper adhesion in your heat transfer vinyl. Remember that for the best adhesion, you need heat and pressure in order to get your heat transfer vinyl to stick. This can be a problem with certain kinds of materials. I've got some here I'll show you today, examples of what kinds of materials you'd want to use a heat press pillow on. Anything that has bulky seams, these sweats have really bulky seams around the pockets, along the edges, so I would always use a heat press pillow if I'm doing sweats. This denim jacket has buttons, pockets, again, thick seams, a collar, lots of reasons to use a heat pressing pillow with a denim jacket. Something as simple as a V-neck shirt is also useful with a heat pressing pillow. Just having the collar come down lower, it's hard to get a full-size image on a V-neck if you don't have a heat pressing pillow. This sweatshirt has a hood, thick seams, and this pocket on the front. All of those would make it a candidate to use with a heat press pillow. Baby items that have a zipper or a snap, this also has a thick seam. And with baby clothes, especially baby onesies, they're so small, you don't normally have a small enough platen to hang the seams over the edges. Lots of baby items are good for heat press pillows. This jacket has snaps, which also would make it, and a collar, thick seams again, make it good for a heat press pillow. Now, you might not have been thinking about mesh. Mesh is the second reason we would want to use a heat press pillow. If you have mesh, your heat transfer vinyl can go through the holes on the mesh and adhere it to the back side of your garment. So you can slide a heat pressing pillow into your mesh in order to not get it to stick to the back when you're pressing on it.